Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 1 cent Lincoln Memorial Cent bronze. Mayroong taon na 1976 at walang mint mark. Ito yung Abraham Lincoln ng Amerika. 1 cent. So, bago tayo magpunta sa online selling nito guys, ang bintahan doon sa ating selling online sa eBay, tapusin muna natin ang kanyang features guys dahil ito yung pinaka-importanting malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa isang 1 cent ng Lincoln penny. Yung features niya guys, you wear as United States period Federal Republic 1776 type standard circulation coin value 1958 hanggang 1982 value 1 cent. Sa Pilipinas guys is 0.56 centavos. Currency dollar 1785 ang kanyang date. Composition bronze 95% ang copper, 5% ang zinc. Weight 3.11 grams. Diameter 19 mm. Thickness 1.30 mm. Shape is round. Technique mild. Orientation coin alignment. Number E number 42. Reference number KM number 201. Serial number 202. Dito ang kanyang obverse guys. The portrait of Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States from 1861 to 1865, facing right, accompanied by the lettering of liberty and the motto, "In God we trust." I note dito guys, ang cent dated 1968 hanggang 1974, bearing an ace, mint mark are most likely not props. The San Francisco Mint struck this coin were circulation as well as all props for these types is cent dated 1975 and later are always prop. May inscription na Latin lettering "In God we trust" 1976, no mint mark. Engravers Victor David Brenner. Itong kanyang reverse guys, the Lincoln Memorial surrounded by the face value and the full, the lettering United States of America and the motto E Pluribus Unum. Inscribed Latin lettering United States of America A Pluribus Unum, FG 1 cent. Translation out of many 1. Engraver Frank Casparo. Edge is smooth. Mint United States or US Mint Denver 1906 and Philadelphia 1972 and West Point 1973. San Francisco 1854. Comments: the standard weight of these coins was 48 grains. From 1959 to September 5, 1952, these coins were minted with 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc. After September 5, 1962 and until 1982, these coins were minted with 95% copper and 5% zinc. Brass. From 1965 to 1967, these coins were minted in Philadelphia and Denver without mint mark. From 1974 through 1986, a number of these coins were minted in the US Mint Bullion Depository West Point. These coins lack of mint mark. So 1976 guys, na no mint mark, meron siyang 29% sa out of 4,674,292,426 pieces. Kanyang about uncirculated guys is 6 pesos and 60 centavos. Kanyang uncirculated is 33 pesos. Kanyang demint mark guys is 24% sa 4 billion examples. Mayroon siyang uncirculated na 26 pesos. Government yan guys. Sa San Francisco is 3%. Meron siyang 4,149,730 pieces examples. Uncirculated is 89 pesos. Naka-display to guys sa ating online selling guys sa eBay ng 24,750. No mint mark. At ang demint mark, mayroong error ay umabot ng 131,997 pesos. So yun guys, ang nakuha natin mga impormasyon doon sa ating source of information sa enomista.com at sa selling online sa EB. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys, at God bless sa ating lahat.